case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, the Court of Appeals of Indiana heard a case, Patterson versus State, addressing whether a person protected by a no-contact order could be charged with aiding in the violation of that order. The case involved Melissa Patterson, who was accused of aiding her fiance, Gregory Darden, in violating a no-contact order that she had obtained against him following a domestic battery incident. Authorities became aware of the situation when a deputy serving a subpoena at Darden's residence spotted Patterson inside the house. The deputy subsequently discovered the no-contact order and arrested both Darden and Patterson. Patterson argued that a protected person could not be criminally liable for violating the no-contact order and appealed the trial court's decision to deny her motion to dismiss charges. The Court of Appeals ultimately found that protected persons like Patterson cannot be charged with aiding and violating a protective order. The court stated that the protection order remained valid despite invitations from the protected person and determined that the trial court had made an error in denying Patterson's motion to dismiss charges. As a result, the judgment was reversed and remanded.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.